Luxury in the sky, footballers who own private jets. Memphis Depay, Cessna Citation XLS $13 million. Olivier Giroud, Learjet 60, $10 million. James Rodriguez, Bombardier Challenger, $25 million. Romelu Lukaku, Cessna Citation Sovereign, $18 million. Roberto Firmino, Embraer Phenom, $10 million. Wayne Rooney, Dassault Falcon, $40 million. Cesc Fabregas, Gulfstream G, $222 million. Thiago Silva, Embraer Phenom, $10 million. Radamel Falcao, Embraer Legacy, $20 million. Gerard Pique, Dassault Falcon, $22 million. Dani Alves, Learjet 60, $10 million. Alexis Sanchez, Gulfstream G, $318 million. Angel Di Maria, Embraer Legacy, $27 million. Mesut Ozil, Bombardier Challenger, $25 million. Sergio Ramos, Cessna Citation, $13 million. Luis Suarez, Bombardier Global, $60 million. Ronaldinho, Learjet 60, $10 million. Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, Hacker, $10 million. Karim Benzema, Gulfstream G550, $50 million. Cristiano Ronaldo, Gulfstream G650, $70 million. Antoine Griezmann, Dassault Falcon, $22 million. Mohamed Salah, Dassault Falcon, $25 million. David Beckham, Bombardier Challenger, $26 million. Gareth Bale, Cessna Citation, $13 million. Paul Pogba, Gulfstream G280, $25 million. Lionel Messi, Gulfstream V, $45 million. Neymar Jr., Embraer Legacy, $13 million. Zlatan Ibrahimovic, Cessna Citation Longitude, $26 million. Didier Drogba, Learjet 60, $10 million. Andres Iniesta, Gulfstream G150, $15 million. Mauro Icardi, Embraer Legacy, $20 million. Samuel Eto'o, Bombardier Challenger, $26 million. Wilfried Zaha, Learjet 60, $10 million. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, subscribe today, and never miss out on our latest uploads.